With Father's Day coming up this weekend, you may be thinking, what can I serve Dad that'll show him just how much I care? Well, how about making slow roasted ribs that you can finish under the broiler or on the grill, depending on the weather? We start off by rubbing about 4 to 5 pounds of baby back ribs with a mixture of garlic powder, along with some smoked paprika and a bit of salt and pepper. Now, we put these in a roasting pan, meat side up, and cover them tightly with some foil before roasting them off for 2.5 hours or so. While they're roasting, we can throw together a quick homemade barbecue sauce, which is simply some ketchup and mustard mixed with some chopped onion, brown sugar, a splash of vinegar, and a shake or two of Worcestershire sauce. Once they're fork tender, slather them with the sauce. I know Dad will be proud to serve these right off the grill, so get ready for some good eating. Team these up with his favorite go-alongs, and dinner is served. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for T.L.C. barbecue ribs as a way to show Dad just how much you care. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a finger-looking good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.